Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to read your iPhone battery graph. If you are using any iPhone and you want to read or do your iPhone battery graph, or if you want to check your iPhone battery usage, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Now in settings, just scroll down and go to battery section. In battery, you'll see a graph under daily usage section. You just have to select this view all battery usage and you'll get your usage graph. Here you can select your usage history day by day. You can easily select any day from which you want to. Let's say I'm gonna select today from here. Once I've selected date, you will get the battery usage in this section. Here you'll see your screen active time, that how time long your phone was used or your screen was active. And here you will also get screen idle. And here whenever you see this green graph here, it means that your phone was on charging, and otherwise here you'll see your battery draining time, or here you'll see all of the apps which are using your batteries. If you see any app running in background, so you can disable background app refresh for the specific app to customize or adjust background battery usage. So you just have to simply go back here and just go to general section, then go to background app refresh, and just select the app for which you want to disable that. Let's say I'm gonna select my Snapchat app here. Now just disable the toggle for your Snapchat app, and it will block background app usage for your Snapchat app. So in this way, you can easily reach your iPhone battery graph, or you can easily check your battery usage. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.